Hello everybody, welcome to Beret. Now the machine you're watching now is a little bigger one since it's slant by the lead machine. The machine has a bigger processing capacity. It can process 1 meter long workpiece. And the machine is configured with hydraulic chuck, hydraulic tailstock, and 12-station hydraulic two-turret. And this machine has the max swing diameter overbed 650 mm. If you have this kind of a bigger model, since it's slant bed needs, please come to us.